All right. So for warm up number 4, the first thing we have to do on number 1 is annotate. So Yogi's Yoga Studio charges members $79 for enrollment and $45 per month after that. They want us to write an equation to represent the relationship between the number of months and the total cost. So when you write an equation for X and Y, it's generally Y equals MX plus B. Sometimes I like to think about B as the beginning fee. And so we see that beginning fee is the $79. So no matter what, it's a flat fee of $79. So words that help us know that are going to be begin, initial, start, fee. After that, words that mean that you are multiplying or your M value are per, each, every, and. So then we know that this says per. That means that we need to go $45 times X. So Y is equal to 45X plus 79. That's the equation for that one. Now, on number 2, they want us to use the linear relationship for the table. It wants us to find the slope, the y-intercept, and write an equation in slope-intercept form. Again, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. The slope is the m value. The y-intercept is the b value, which we know as a coordinate point, the b value is 0, comma, where this is x and this is the y value. So I can see x is 0 right here and y is negative 7. So that lets me know the b value is negative 7, so minus 7. Now the slope, I've been referring to it as the change in y over the change in x. And so how does x change? From 0 to 3, it's plus 3. From 3 to 6, plus 3. 6 to 9, plus 3. 9 to 12, plus 3. Now we got to see how the y value changes. So negative 7 to 2, well, negative 7 to 0 is 7, and 2 more, that's plus 9. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20, and 20 plus 9 is 29. So that means that the change in y, and you have to be careful, the change in y was plus 9, and the change in x on the top was plus 3. So 9 divided by 3, that reduces to 3. So here the slope is 3. So now you'll know y equals 3 times x minus 7. And for the final question, the graph shows the relationship of the number of months since it's rained in Shauna's country and the depth of the pond in her neighborhood. Write an equation in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where b is where we're going to begin on the y-axis. So we know that when we begin, the y-intercept is on the y-axis. Sorry about that. So here's the y-axis, and it is at plus 45. Now the slope is when you identify that perfect little grid line and you make your right triangle. But you have to count very carefully because this is counting by fives. So 45, 40, 35. The change in y is 10. And then let's see what the change in x. These are going by ones. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10